Hi, I'm Ian. I'm a member of Hema's Alpha Mapping program. In this video, I'll show you how to form a multi-route in the Hema Nav software. This journey will take us from Kingfisher Bay Resort on Kagari to Yurong. Choose the Hema Nav software on your device. Tap the screen once and select the search function. Search for Kingfisher Bay Resort. Select that option and now press Start New Track. This option will begin to form the route. Now scroll down and select Add Waypoint. Search for Yurong. And select that option. Now select Add Waypoint to add Yurong to the route. We now have a route between Kingfisher Bay Resort and Yurong, but we'd like to add other points of interest within that route. How do we do this? We simply search for those points of interest and add them to the route. Scroll down the screen, tap Add Waypoint, and let's search for Lake Bumingen. Select that point of interest and hit Add Waypoint. Now we need to place these points of interest in the correct order of travel on this multi-route. To do this, we tap the settings icon near the waypoints list. We can now edit the order of the waypoints by simply using the up and down arrows. You will see the route has now changed to the order of travel, and we can now use this route. From Yurong, we have now decided to travel to Cathedral Beach. Scroll down to Add Waypoint, search for Cathedral Beach, select that location and add waypoint. Your multi-route has now been formed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've gained some knowledge about multi-routing, and for more information regarding Hema Nav, you can visit hemamaps.com.